Well, we're up here at the micro cottage. You see, just want to show you the nice view. There's a bathhouse down to the left. A nice view of the mountains. Picnic table here in front. Fire pit with a grill on it. And over here to the right is our tiny house we call micro cottage because it is very small, but it's equipped pretty nicely. It has heat in the winter and air conditioning in the summer. Equipped with a small kitchen, very small, microwave, little refrigerator. There's our heater, some windows, and LED bulbs. So we shut the door here. So this is only about 12 feet by 8, I think the dimension is. 2 bunk beds in here. Campers furnish their own bedding. But the nice thing about this, it has a microwave, refrigerator, heat or air, grill outside, room to set up a tent outside, and a nice view close to the bathhouse. Again, here's our view looking out the front, right off the steps. Beautiful location back here.